Oh, hey, I just got done shopping. Do you want to see what I bought?
All right, hit it.
All right, so for those of you who aren't aware, there is an accidentally vegan list. These are foods that you don't expect to be vegan, but actually are. And while again, they're processed, they're not great for you, there's a lot of fun stuff in here. So I'm not saying that this is an entire meal, but you could definitely make a meal out of what's in here. So let's see what I bought. I was gonna take my jacket off. So I'm gonna take my jacket off. So I went shopping today and I looked at the accidentally vegan list online, which I'll post to link to on the comments below. First off, let's start with some snacks. Did you know Pringles are vegan? That's right. There are flavors that do contain milk, so you want to look for that, but the original Pringles and some of the other flavors are 100% vegan. And what about barbecue potato chips? That's right, Lay's barbecue potato chips are vegan. If you're craving something a little bit meaty, who isn't, right? You want to get some of these bacon bits on your salad. Delicious, bacon flavored, but 100% vegan. And you can wash that down with some Kraft creamy Italian dressing, 100% vegan. Actually, maybe make a salad, pour the dressing on, and put the bacon bit. I think that makes more sense. Just in case you're in the mood for a manwich, this doesn't make any sense. Sloppy Joe sauce is vegan. But guess what? There are vegan ground beefs out there made by Gardein and Beyond Meat that this would be delicious on. So get yourself some manwich.
A sandwich is a sandwich.
But a manwich is a meal.
Yeah, especially for us
Vegans. Now we're getting toward dessert, right? So what's better for dessert than Sour Patch Kids? They're so delicious and full of things you probably don't want to eat, but they are vegan. So get some Sour Patch Kids, and if you're not in the mood for Sour Patch Kids, by all means, peanut butter crunch. That's right, the Cap'n is vegan. I can remember eating this when I was a kid, and it would rip the shreds out of the top of your mouth. You'd be eating blood by the time you go to school.
Ow.
Get some peanut butter crunch, vegan, delicious way to start your day. And then, happy birthday. You can also get some Betty Crocker whipped vanilla frosting, 100% vegan. So to recap, there's a vegan, accidentally vegan list online, link to below. Find these items on there, more snacks, more salad fixins, more entrees, more desserts and sweets. You will not go hungry vegan. Let me know what your favorite accidentally vegan food is, and comment, like, and subscribe.